Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use Matplotlib in Python and we're going to create a bar chart, but this time we're going to enter our own input. Now if you don't have Matplotlib on Python, you'll have to install it, and you can install it using the command pip install Matplotlib in pip. So basically this is just a low-level graph plotting library. Okay, so first of all I've created a list called pets and I've created a list called numbers. I've created a function here called bar chart, and we're going to do while true, which will keep us in a loop until we exit the loop. So I'm going to create a variable called pet. I'm going to assign it to input. I'm just going to simply put pet, so the user will enter pet or exit, which will show the chart. If they exit, that will show the chart. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a conditional called if. So if pet dot lower is equal to exit. In fact, I'm going to call that show because that's a bit more readable. So it means show, meaning show the bar chart. That's better. Right, so if pet.lower is equal to show, I'm going to type in here create chart. So this is going to be for another function below called create chart. So that will create the bar chart. That will just take us down here, or else we're simply going to do number variable, assign that to input. We'll get the user to type in a number. And then all we do is if number dot is digit, that number is a digit, then we're going to do something. Pets dot append pet. We're going to put the pet into the pet list, and then we're going to append the numbers as well. So what we do is numbers dot append. Then we have to use int because we're going to be working with integer numbers, and then number. So we'll tell it that we're working with an integer. Okay, so if pet.lower is equal to show, create chart. So we'll jump down into this function here, which will show the chart. So we use plt, sorry, which comes from the Matplotlib library, plt.bar. Then we're going to add the pets to it. Pets and numbers. Okay, make sure I got that right. Pets and numbers, that's right, yep. And then what we do is we say plt.show. So we're going to show the bar chart here. Now all we need to do is call the program. So we simply call it by its name, which is bar chart. Okay, let's have a look at that. That looks okay. I don't think I've done any typos. We shall see, we shall see. Okay, so let's run it. Let's do full screen here, full size. Okay, so we got pet or show. So I'm just going to type in dog. Number 6 dogs. Okay, cat. 8 cats. Rat. 9 rats. Rats are quite popular. And horse. Simply 7 horses. Okay, now I want to show this bar chart that we're going to create, so I simply type in show, hit enter, and there you go. There's the bar chart. So we've got the numbers up there, and we've got the names of the animals along here. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.